Welcome back. Archbishop of Goa Filipe Neri Ferrao visited Old Goa to review the preparedness for the exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier. He has expressed apprehensions on water and power supply at the venue during the exposition. He has also asked the authorities to work with coordination. Meanwhile, the Commissioner of Government Exposition Committee has assured that all pending works will be completed within 2 days. Countdown for the exposition has begun. Just 2 days to go for the exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier. Things are getting set and workers on site are working day in day out to get the venue ready. Archbishop of Goa Filipe Neri Ferrao visited Old Goa site on Thursday and took stock of the preparedness. He expressed apprehensions over infrastructure upgradation and has asked the officials to team up and work in coordination.
Water supply, make sure that electricity, because these are the things that normally create problems. Water, electricity. Also, as you were saying, if there are any holes somewhere, there shouldn't be accidents. We should not get disturbed. Let us communicate. We must not make others know. We should be able to. Sometimes things go wrong unexpectedly. I think we should not get worked up, remain calm, coordinate with one another. Let there be communication. Because here and there will be hiccups. Whether we like it or not, certain things, unforeseen things will come. It is at that time that let teamwork be shown.
Commissioner for Government Committee on Exposition explained the layout plan.
Ambulance is on standby. They will be here. They have already been ordered. Any emergency, they will be there with life-saving equipment. Two-bedded health unit has been set up with doctors around the clock. 3 beds actually.
Committee says the works will be completed within 2 days.
By tonight, we expect to complete major of...
Doesn't look like it's going to get completed within a night or even a fortnight, because the work is massive and it's not completed yet.
No, I agree the work is a lot. Yeah. It is massive, as you said. But we have proper schedules. We are on schedule. We still have 2 more days to go.
Okay.
You will be surprised.
Reporter Greta Menezes with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. 45th edition of International Film Festival of India has begun. It was inaugurated at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in presence of legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan, superstar Rajnikant, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Arun Jaitley, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and others. Superstar Rajnikant was conferred with the Centenary Award. The President is the inaugural film of the festival.
There are various challenges before my government to develop required infrastructure, since Goa has now been declared as permanent venue for International Film Festival.
इस बार पूरी परमानेंट वेन्यू फिल्म फेस्टिवल का गोवा किया गया है. इसके लिए जगह भी दोनापावल में ढूंढ ली गई है. एक फिल्म फेस्टिवला खातीर वेगळे संकुल असतले. देयर विल बी अ सेपरेट अरेंजमेंट entirely for the film festival. This place is beautiful. I'm still not feeling like going back to Delhi. Thank you very much.
When we sit inside a darkened hall, and as they say in Konkani, and I endorse this from the bottom of my heart, Makagoye abora lagta. We never ask the caste, the creed, the color, the religion of the person sitting next to us. Yet we enjoy the same film. In this fast, disintegrating world of ours, where will you find such a beautiful example of human integration than inside a cinema hall?
If this infrastructure could be created within 10 months, as the festival proceeds year after year, the infrastructure for the film festival in Goa would certainly reach many heights. The cinema industry in India has matured immensely. Commercially, it has grown. The last decade has seen the corporatization of the industry. And this is probably going to make it more and more professional.
5-6 times I had an opportunity to come to participate in Goa in Film Festival, but I couldn't make it. But this time, I'm so fortunate. I'm here this evening today. And I'm honored to receive this prestigious award from the Government of India, and my heartfelt thanks to Government of India and Information and Broadcast Ministry. I'm grateful to them, and I dedicate this prestigious award to all my film producers, directors, technicians, and fans. Thank you very much.
45th IFFI inaugural ceremony was held at Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Inaugural ceremony itself cost 2 crores. The stadium has a sitting capacity of 8,000 people, but still many were left standing. This included some VIPs too. The overall mismanagement by the ESG was very much evident during the all-important inaugural ceremony too. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.